In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with task management in HubSpot CRM. If you're a beginner, this guide will walk you through the essentials of managing your tasks efficiently. So, let's jump right in. To start off, let's explore what tasks are in HubSpot. Tasks function as quick reminders that you can link to different CRM records like contacts, deals, or tickets. You can think of them as little notifications that help you keep track of calls, follow-ups, emails, or any to-dos you might have, all in one convenient place. These tasks are seamlessly integrated with your timeline, helping streamline your day-to-day activities and keep you organized. Now, let's dive into creating a task. Navigate over to your CRM and find the Tasks area. Once there, click on Create Task. Here, you'll fill in all the necessary details. Begin with giving your task a title. Something like Follow Up After Call is a good example. Next, you'll choose a type for your task, whether it be a call, an email, or a to-do. Set a due date and, if you wish, an optional time. You can assign this task to yourself or to a teammate if collaboration is needed. Don't forget to link your task to a specific contact, deal, or company to keep things connected. You can also add a description or any reminders that will help clarify the task objectives. Once everything is in place, go ahead and save the task. With your tasks created, it's time to organize them using task queues. Task queues are essentially simple lists designed to help you focus on what needs to be done daily. In the Tasks area, click on Create Task Queue. Give your queue a name, like Monday Follow-Ups. Decide if this queue will be shared or kept personal. After setting it up, you can add tasks from your list directly into this queue. By doing this, you're creating a focused and organized way to handle your daily workload. Now that we've learned how to organize tasks, let's talk about working through them each day. Head over to the task queue you've created and use the Next Task button to tackle your tasks one at a time. As you complete each task, make sure to mark them as complete. You can apply filters such as due date, priority, or assignee to keep everything in context and relevant. Finally, tracking and reporting on your tasks is crucial for managing your productivity. Use your task queues along with filters to get a clear picture of your upcoming versus overdue tasks. You can even build simple dashboards to view metrics like tasks completed, counts of overdue tasks, and task workload per representative. And that wraps up our session on task management in HubSpot CRM. With these steps, you're well on your way to managing tasks effectively and staying organized within the HubSpot ecosystem.